How to fix Steam game patching taking too long. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you wanna go ahead and simply open up your Task Manager. Press Ctrl Shift Escape, and Task Manager is gonna open up. Inside here, tap on Processes, and if you see any Steam processes running, right-click onto it, then simply tap on End Task. Once you have closed all Steam processes, you can go ahead and close Task Manager. Now, that's the first fix. Second fix is to open up your Steam application, sign into your account. Once signed in, tap on Steam, select Settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Downloads. And here you will be able to find an option that says Clear Download Cache. Simply tap on Clear Cache, and once that's done, go ahead and simply close Steam as well. After you close it, reopen it, and once you reopen it, you want to head over to Library. Inside here, find the specific game you're having trouble with, and then click onto it. When I click onto it, you can simply tap on Properties, then tap on Install Files. After you tap onto it, you will be able to find an option that says Verify Integrity of Game Files. And just like that, Steam will now scan for any missing or broken files and automatically fix them for you. Once it's finished, go ahead and simply close the window, and that's it. You can now try launching your game again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.